My name is Andy Thomas, and I'm Group Managing Editor of Labels and Labelling. I'm here with Keith Larko, VP Global Marketing and Business Development at Rotometrics. So Label Academy is bringing out our latest book in the series, Keith, and it's die cutting and rotary tooling.
Yep.
I understand that Rotometrics is a sponsor.
Yeah, we're super excited, Andy, to be involved in that, and you guys were developing the new book, and you came to us to be the subject matter experts on it, and it's worked out great. So we were able to talk to a lot of people in our company that have 30 plus years of experience in die cutting and tooling, solid dies, flexible dies. So it was great to work with your team on that, to bring our expertise in as a subject matter expert, and we're looking forward to that book coming out. So I guess we'll have to sit down and have a big autograph signing party when it gets published here shortly.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
So what do you think the real requirements in terms of training for press operators in terms of die cutting?
Well, you know, there's a lot of stuff that has to be learned. It's a complex, manufacturing process that we do. And as you know, at the end of the day, in these long presses, we're one little part of that press that comes in at the end. But if it doesn't cut the right way, there's a whole bunch of problems that result from that. You know, with our experience on cutting a variety of different substrates over the years, from the most challenging substrates to the thinnest films, Rotometrics has time and time again helped our customers unlock the power of precision. But we do that with a human element. Everybody knows you can make a perfectly mechanically engineered die. Doesn't always mean it's going to run the right way when you put it on the press. That's where our ingenuity, our insights, our 60 years of experience, our guys make house calls and make sure when that die arrives, it's going to run right the first time, every time, time and time again.
What will you be launching at Label Expo?
Well, there's a lot of stuff, Andy, that we're looking at telling people about at this Label Expo. One, in a general sense, we're really letting people know about how they can unlock the power of precision. But there's precision from a mechanical standpoint, but we bring a human aspect to that. I mean, you can make a perfectly automated engineered die. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work when you put it on press. With our 60 years of experience, our ingenuity, our know-how, our acumen, we're able to bring that. We're able to come in and help people really evaluate how they get the die to perform the best way. And that's the added value that Rotometrics can bring. And we do that three ways. First, we do it with the unparalleled support of our exceptional people. As I said, we have people that have been working with us for 30 plus years.
Sure.
They know the die market, they know solid dies, they know flexible dies, they know it better than anybody. And that's the insight they can bring to help people really, really get the most out of their tooling solutions. Secondly, we're creating a broad range of reliable solutions that create value for our customers. We do solid dies, we do flexible dies, we do supporting solutions that help those perform even better. And that's one thing that we do really well. Nobody else has the breadth of product that we have on the market. And finally, we bring speed that helps our customers seize opportunity. And by that speed, we're able to do next day shipping on solid dies, flex dies, and we're able to have our repair and reservice centers on 5 continents. So we're in the places where our customers do business, so we can retool, refurbish, resharpen, and get those tools in, fixed, and back out to our customers so they can continue to do what they do and succeed with their customers as well.
Right. So you think that training in the industry for you is a really important requirement going forward if we're to train the next generation of press operators properly to use this advanced tooling?
Without a doubt. I mean, the tooling's not getting any simpler and the materials aren't getting easier to cut. So by being able to bring our expertise to the labels and labeling textbooks and get it out there from a training perspective, you're getting the best subject matter expertise you can get at this time by putting this information in this book and putting it out there so everybody can share the knowledge that we have and operate those presses correctly to cut all the materials that are available on the market right now.
Right, right. So, and I understand also that on the website there'll also be links to material from Rotometrics. So on the Label Academy website, in that particular section,
right,
you can also click on, for example, videos, tutorial videos.
Yeah, we've done a lot of work in developing our multimedia aspects. We're relaunching our website actually in the next month, and it will have a lot of instructional videos on it, a lot of content that the industry's put out there. Being the die cut subject matter expert and being the leader in the world precision of rotary tooling that we develop, we're excited to start sharing those knowledge and those insights that we've developed. The book is just one avenue that we're doing that down. We have videos, websites. We'll be doing some conferences and some other things where we'll bring customers and operators in to our facilities and show them how we're developing the latest in cutting and tooling technology.
Right. So the two could actually go hand in hand. People could be reading the textbook, then they're getting more in-depth, hands-on training and knowledge at your...
Without a doubt. I mean, the best way to learn it is having the subject matter expert right there showing you how to do it and do it the right way.
Yeah. And this will be not only in the US, I guess, but also in Europe, your facilities in Europe.
Without a doubt. I mean, you know, we have offices on 5 continents, right?
Yeah.
And we have subject matter experts. We are in the places where our customers do business. And that's a tremendous advantage for Rotometrics as well as for our customers. So we have that on the ground expertise, and they make house calls, so they'll come and help you out if you need our help, and we'll come and help you how to do the care and maintenance of these tools as well. So we do it every day.
Great, okay, fantastic. And at the show, Keith, talking about the latest technologies, what are the really important things that you're pushing in the show?
Well,
technology?
That's a great question. There's a couple things we're looking at. One, when we look at our general theme, and I told it to you earlier, it's about unlocking the power of precision. A lot of people talk about precision, but when we talk about unlocking that power, it's just not the mechanical and engineering aspect. It's bringing in the human element, that human eye that can really help you to get to the most optimized solution you need to do the best converting you can do for our customers. And we're going to do that 3 ways. One, we're unlocking that power of precision with the speed that helps our customers seize opportunity. We can produce our dies faster than anybody, we can get them to them faster than anybody else can. Secondly, we're going to do that by continuing to create reliable solutions. And when we need reliable solutions, we're talking about things that create true value. We have a robust pipeline of new products that we're bringing out. This year we're going to talk about, you know, our enhanced cutting capabilities on thin films for our flexible dies, our improved dimensional stability on our magnetic cylinders. Again, all those solutions come together to provide the optimum cutting solutions for our customers so they can go out and create more business and succeed and excel at what they do. And finally, the most important element for us is the unparalleled support our exceptional people provide. We have a synchronized team on a global basis, but they work in local markets. And it's that expertise, as we've talked about, that insight, that knowledge, that business acumen, that engineering acumen, where we can really help our customers thrive, grow, succeed, and excel as they deliver for their customers.
Right.
And that's what we're going to be talking about here.
Great, great. And also you have the RD die as well, the RD300.
The RD300, right. The workhorse of the solid die line that can handle anything from thin films to abrasive materials to adhesives. It is really an all-in-one die that is just a tremendous, tremendous product for us. It's been a great success for us over the past year. We've found ways we bring in material movement solutions to that this year. So it helps with pressure-sensitive applications of removing material from the web, whether it's waste or it's small die-cut parts that have to be kept on the converting line and transferred somewhere else. We develop a tremendous amount of work around the RD300, as well as the air, vacuum, and pin solutions that can enhance the performance of it for whatever converting job our customers have.
Right. And how do you see the balance in North America between the flexible die and the solid?
Well, you know, we do see a couple things happening. There's a tremendous amount of customers that are converting over to the flexible die format, right? And it helps tremendously well when you're looking at the quick changes and everything that has to happen with that. But we offer both. We're one of the few manufacturers out there that can offer you a full range of solid dies and a complete line of flexible dies. Whether you're cutting paper or cutting film or cutting the thinnest films, we've got the solution for you. And we can do that from a solid die perspective, or we can do it from a flex die perspective.
Right. So in terms of the thinner films now, what's the kind of thinnest liner that you recommend converters to customer, or with your, what are you seeing out there in the market?
Well, every day the liners are getting thinner and thinner.
Yeah.
So I mean, whatever liner is out there, we got a way we can cut it.
Right.
And we're continuing to we're continuing to evolve our product line as those films get thinner and thinner and thinner. We've got a die that can handle those.
Right. That's fantastic. Well,
Thank you.
Very much. I wish you a very successful show.
We're looking forward to it, and thanks for letting us sponsor the Label Academy, and we're looking forward to being continuing to contribute to that going forward. Thanks, Andy. Appreciate it.